Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at the fingerprint sensor on the Samsung Galaxy A52. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. So today we are going to take a look at the fingerprint sensor on the Samsung Galaxy A52. Now keep in mind this is the 4G LTE version of it, not the 5G version. So I actually had an encounter with some cases that I purchased with this specific phone, and they didn't fit because this is the non-5G version. I think the 5G versions are a little bit bigger. So anywho, the real reason why I wanted to make this video again was because I wanted to, make a video on the in-screen fingerprint sensor, just because, and I really like the way that looks, by the way. I like that the little message notifications are colored, by the way. But anywho, again, I still haven't made a full review video of this phone yet, just because, again, I've been kind of slacking on YouTube, but I thought I would make this specific video just because. But for the most part, I do want to let you guys know I apologize about that. But again, I've just been going through some stuff, and I just really has not been any motivation to do any reviews on phones or just a lot of tech videos in general. So again, although this phone is somewhat impressive, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show you guys how fast this is with the in-screen fingerprint sensor. So it's relatively quick, and again, I only have set up one finger here. Let's see if I can move that down for you guys just a little bit, but for the most part it's relatively quick. Again, this is the one with the A52 processors, or Exynos processor, and I only have one finger set to it. I don't know why I don't have both fingers set to this, but it is relatively quick compared to at least the A32. So this is actually probably one of the more better experienced fingerprint sensors that I've dealt with as far as in-screen goes. It's a lot quicker, but to be honest, I don't mind the fingerprint sensor being in the back of the phone. So like if you look at my Pixel 4a here, the case is trashed, by the way, sorry about that. But again, I don't mind the fingerprint sensor being in the back, and I feel like those ones are always going to be a little bit quicker, the ones that are a little bit exposed, and the ones that look, the ones on the back, or even the ones that still have fingerprint sensors on the bottom. Now again, don't get me wrong, I don't mind it at all, but at the same time, we're getting some blurry shots here. At the same time, there we go. At the same time though, again, I really can't complain too hard on it. I think if I were to, grade this on a scale from like 1 to 5, I would give it like a 4.5 as far as how fast it is, just because. And again, I really don't know if I can ever get used to, trying to find where you are. I mean, you can just literally tap the screen, and then it'll give you that. It'll give you that little bump, or again, you want to just press the power button on and then just stick your hand on there, and then boom, quick. And again, just so you guys know, I do have added security features on this phone. So again, if I wanted to use face unlock instead, I just have to turn the screen on. See how fast that looks. Okay, face does not match. So as you can see there, face does not match. Let's see if we can try that again. I'm looking directly at it, but I don't know if it's because the camera is in the way. Face does not match. Hold on, let me try it over here really quick. That is interesting. I have not had an issue with the face matching at this point, you know what I mean? So let me again, excuse the bad camera angling. Let's try this one more time. Oh, hello, sorry, I almost dropped the phone there. That happened. Okay, so now it's asking for my PIN number, which I will go ahead and put in offside here, which is really ridiculous. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Let's try one more time. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why it was doing that. Again, maybe because I was using the fingerprint sensor a lot. Let's try one more time. So facial recognition is relatively quick on this device also. Try one more time. And again, it's not picking me up. I don't know why. There you go. So for the most part, again, guys, this is just a quick video on the fingerprint sensor, which, again, fingerprint sensor is not too bad on this specific device. And again, the device is actually very snappy, which is one thing that I love about it. Screen is very, very nice and crisp. Again, I think the one thing that I do not like about these phones are the screen sizes. I really wish Samsung would make smaller phones. Okay, again, an ideal phone size for me is like the iPhone 12 mini, or again, even the Pixel 4a, which is under the 5-inch screen. So again, I really hope that Samsung decides guys to make smaller devices like this. But again, for the most part, you know, can't complain on it. Again, if you guys if that's a feature that you care about, the in-screen fingerprint sensor, boom, again, I'm going back and forth with it. So again, guys, let's see if I can get this to focus here. Again, guys, you know, take it with a grain of salt. You know, this is just my experience with the device. Your experience might be different, but again, who knows? We'll see how that goes. But again, guys, Mike from B-Tech Review signing off again. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time, okay?